That's where USD got back the lead from NU in set number 2 after trailing by as much as 4, if I'm not mistaken. Hirotsuji getting the point there. But it's a far cry from the way set number 1 was pulled off by USD. And on layo, they led by as much as 11 in that set. So, medyo ngayon, it's either hindi naman nag-dip yung performance nila. It's just that National University really stepped up big.
That's right. I think what's missing lang dito sa side ng Lady Bulldogs, they are not as consistent because you'll see that after they get a few points, they offset it with some errors that they commit in the middle of the game.
Ortiz, service error, tayo, 16-all. Maganda lang dito for NU is USD is committing almost the same amount of service errors, so parang quits lang. Pero because otherwise, kung hindi yun, baka lumabang na USD by 3 or 4. No?
But of course, the errors of your opponent, these are the things na you don't want to bank on them because
that's true.
hindi mo yan kontrolado.
Hindi maasahan yun.
But if there's anything, at least na-offset ng errors ng USD.
And actually, in-offset din nila ng NU ngayon.
And again, that's another service error. That's what we're seeing. If you probably come up with a tally of all the service errors that they've had in this game, nako, in a set, the points that you give away to your opponent, that would be a lot.
Nepomuceno. USD leads by 1. A good block by Dadang on Banatikla. Banatikla a little farther away from the net now. Blocked still by Dadang. Here comes Nepomuceno. Not the kind of set she wants, but she may do with that. Oh, Banatikla twice rejected, but on the second, it actually bounced out of bounds, pero
actually,
may humawak yata na USD player.
According to the officials, he was actually still in. Perhaps, I think
just right on the line. So 17-all off that National University point. The setter, Precious Salibad, with a solid serve. Tunay, blocked. Hard recovery, pero USD able to keep it alive. Free ball, USD. Oh, nice anticipation. Nepomuceno blocking the second touch of Di Maculangan. Great dig by Aganon. Nepomuceno firing. Hirotsuji, yes.
She gets that one. This is what you like about Di Maculangan. Hindi, kahit alanganin yung bola, she would still risk giving the ball not just to the outside hitter, pero hahanap siya ng ibang options.
Just a 1-point lead for USD despite the difficulty of that point. NU still within 1.
Another
over receptions by NU, and the second one finally punished by Hirotsuji. Coach Vicente calls a timeout. Hirotsuji. Ito yung unang over reception. Inulit-ulit.
Parang drills.
Tama na yun. Sabi ni Hirotsuji, let's listen to NU.
Bumaba kayo, exaggerate ninyo. Walang masama dyan, kahit umupo ka pa dyan Tingnan mo, kaya nga umu-over yan kasi kinagano ninyo, binubundol ninyo Ayaw nyong i-pass. I-pass ninyo, ibig sabihin itaas. Huwag nyo ipilit, ibalik dun kagad sa net. Naintindihan. Hindi pa tapos, dalawa lang.
And we're still partly in that point na ini-stress ni Coach Vicente. Mag-relax kayo and go deeper when you receive the ball. There is nothing wrong with that. Para hindi tumalbog ng ganong kalakas sa katawan ninyo.
Kasi yung nangyayari sa kanila, if your body or your arms are too firm, syempre, para kang pumalo sa wall. Diba? Pumalo ka sa wall ng malakas, ang lakas din ng balik. So, what he's saying is that you have to go down a bit so that there's some form of absorption man lang. You get to
cushion
the ball para bumagal yung balik sa setter nyo, because it's hard for setters, it's really difficult na yung isi-set mong bola ang lakas ng balik sa'yo.
But nakabawi ang NU. They get a point and they're within 1, 18 serving 19. Beautiful serve from Dadang. Here comes Caballejo, soft touch. Nepomuceno using the left hand there.
Net violation here from committed by Caballejo.
So we're tied 19-all. National University really turning things around here. And, you know, they are neck and neck with the Tigresses. Caballero make that Baru Banatikla checking back in for UST. Solid serve again from Dadang. Good dig. Oh, pero Byron stepping beyond the mid-court line. Couldn't control her momentum. Karangan re-enters and will serve for the Tigresses. Byron.
Oh, that one lacks spin.
Back to a 2-point lead for UST.
Oh, poor reception. Byron, two errors now. Two consecutive errors. And these are the things that you don't want at this point.
We'll listen in to Coach Vicente again.
Hindi kinukuha dito. Bumaba kayo, exaggerate ninyo, iangat nyo yung bola. Pang-apat na beses ko nang inulit yan, ha. Pag naglima yan, may ibig sabihin na nun. Intindihan? Okay, service. Nagse-service tayo. Bakit puro straight ang serve mo? Nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo, gagawin mo. Hinaan mo. Ang pinapatarget ko lang naman sa inyo, yung magkabilang kanto at saka yung gitna. Hindi nga tayo umubra, hindi yung gitna ang ilagay nyo. Gawan nyo ng utak, puro kayo power volleyball, wala man ng drop ball. Nyo!
And doon pa rin si Coach Vicente sa service, or at least sa reception. Regardless of whether it's a serve or not, yung reception, matigas pa rin.
It's same instruction. Paulit-ulit yung sinasabi. Yun yung sabi, it's the fourth time he's actually mentioned na bumaba sila dapat pag nagre-receive, ano? Let's see if they can adjust and do it.
Better reception there for NU. They're down by 3. Ooh! An open corner there. Nagkagulo yung depensa ng NU.
Caballero finding that open spot over there right at the corner.
And it wasn't even a difficult find for Caballero. Kitang-kita agad, ano? As soon as she was on her way up, she knew where she wanted to send the ball. Nepomuceno from the back row, block. Point again, UST, and they are at set point 24-19.
Lady Tigers now at set point advantage. Service.
Karangan, mula na pumasok, hindi na... Ayun.
But binabati natin.
Jestwin, you wanted to compliment her for a great job at the service box.
She got excited and, put more force into that serve.
One set point saved by NU, inadvertently off that error. Oh, combination, pero napalakas. Caballero quite upset. She knew na bukas na, no? Naloko nila yung depensa. Take a look.
But look at this. Hindi rin pataas yung bola eh. The ball really lacked spin. Binuhat niya eh.
2 set points saved by NU, but there are still 3 more for UST. Free ball para sa NU. Banatikla, blocked. They go to Banatikla again, free ball para sa Lady Bulldogs. Lady Bulldogs, mandapat. Caballero, underhand set. Free ball again. Good rally here. Another free ball. Good defense by both teams.
Ball is still alive.
Oof.
Overreaching, called on Aganon.
Not the kind of ending you want after a very good rally like that, but that's...
They were just all into the rally.
Yeah.
Where you...
What could you say? Could the call have gone either way, Anne, in that case?
Well, hindi makulangan case kasi she would sometimes set the ball using one hand. So, it could be... it could have gone either way.
So, benefit of the doubt yung binigay ng referees. And UST goes up 2-0 against NU.